Oh, Michael's hard.
Dude, hardest weight of my life, I swear to God.
What the? Wasting time here, buddy? It's been a while since that last clip. We out here chilling. Nah, we're out here working.
Yeah. There's no fucking chilling.
That's right, buddy.
And I can't stop it now. I've done is running around, running around, running around. I feel alive, can't understand why. I've never hit the ground, hit the ground, hit the ground. I feel alive. I feel alive.
Hey, we out here. This guy's got his fucking chemical lab here.
No, this is
Energy
just
drink.
this is Rockstar.
Rockstar. Damn, why are you mixing a bunch of stuff?
Sour blue strawberry, buddy.
Nice. And then you got the EAAs. Oh no, it's monohydrate. Honda Fit.
Forgot you can't do that.
Shaken carbonated liquids. Show the fine folks at home how a fiend does it.
Just like that.
Nice. No head shake, nothing, eh?
Yeah, that one's pretty good actually. Oh my God.
There we go.
Yeah, that's good. Tell them what you fucking did.
Fucking rearranged Devin's teeth. No, this gym closed early at 7. We would only have 1 hour to lift, so it's a no-go. And we already started sipping on the old pre, so we got to rip to a 24-hour good life. And this guy wants to go to 64th. Who goes to that location? Just kidding. I don't know if I've been there, but... Well, just like, what's in your heart? Just speak from the heart, buddy. You got a hearing problem or what? Alright, buddy, she's shut off. She ain't recording no more. You can tell the truth. Buddy, you gotta show the
No, I'm gonna try it again. Hold on.
Yeah, buddy, let's go.
Oh, like fucking depression, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Word. I was expecting some motivational shit, like, you know, sometimes.
Oh, let's fucking go.
Nice. Fucking go. Fuck yeah, let's go. Nice. Oh yeah, you got one more, man. Yeah.
Shit.
Shit.
So, just did a bunch of deadies. I think we're done. You want to do more? 225 till failure, this guy says.
225 till failure?
Yo, what do you got to say about the people that were beefing ya about wearing jeans in the last video?
That's how you fucking dress in the gym.
This guy needs help, man. Just kidding. He's wearing regular gym attire.
Yo, I thought since they had this.
T-bars?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What was that? Just look at that.
So insane.
Sketchy.
17.
Let's fucking go. Yo, I was like, fuck, did I leave this somewhere? Then I see a blue thing in your fucking hands. Yo, you know what we should do since there's two of us?
What?
We should do 3 plates and then the person not going, take a plate off, drop set, drop set. Let's do it! My grip really hits the steps. But I'm gonna drop the weight a little bit and focus more on like the both motions. So like some like Menzer shit. Don't spot me this time, buddy.
Never again, then.
This is the song for this one. Actually, you know what?
What are you showing?
3D's Grace for this one.
That's some whack shit. I can do better.
Then why didn't you?
What?
Then why didn't you?
No, I'm just kidding. That was good. You're just trolling.
He was just telling me he's fucking
A
eating
fucking double cheeseburger with fries and a fucking milkshake and a
McDicks
Pepsi
every
and fucking
night.
French fries.
Lift up that shirt, buddy. Nah, just fucking with you. We're just talking about when you don't go your hardest that you know you can, you're fucking with your own psyche because you know you could have gone harder, but you didn't. Anyways, we're doing some Mike Menzer shit. I'm gonna get Devin to help me bring it up, and then I'm gonna like just slowly descend it down, time under tension, like this.
Let me go a bit lower. No, let me go lower. Alright, now.
Go. All the way. Yeah.
Up 20
Yeah,
pounds
dude.
more.
Yeah, man. Come on. Dude, this machine sucks. That should be standard. Like not that heavy, so we're doing. Yeah, Arnold style, baby. Holy momentum. Squeeze it out. I'm doing my Mike Menzer shit.
10 pounds it is.
What the fuck? You doing yoga?
My neck is fucked.
End her off with a Stairmaster sesh. Some stretching. Yeah, boy.